Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at Avax. This is just a quick one because I'm absolutely exhausted. It's no sleep season in crypto. I've been degening all day trading meme coins, and I hope you guys took the Toshi call from yesterday because we are up massively from that. Let me just bring this up. Okay, so on the Toshi chart, if I just delete our fib extension, we were targeting this blue box here yesterday. If you got in the blue box, you're currently up 57%. So massive trade here on Toshi. If you had funds on base, huge play there. So I want to show you this exact pattern, right? You can see here we're getting pinned underneath resistance. We then flip that resistance. We come back down here, retest it, and break out. Now pay attention to this pattern because it's happening right now on Avax BTC chart. So if we take this to the weekly, we can see here we have support. We then failed this, held this as resistance, came back up here, held it resistance again, broke above, hit our value area high, came back down here, and we're retesting this level. And this is also our point of control here. So most likely, maybe we're going to get filled in this point of control if we don't get a breakout. However, Avax looks extremely bullish on the USDT chart. So Avax, I think this is this time to shine, time to play catch up here. No more waiting. I think the breakout is here. This chart looks absolutely excellent. If I just change my RSI. Okay, Avax, you'll notice here we have our volume profile. If I just turn it on here, our all-time volume profile, this is our value area high. We were kept under here previously. We kind of held this as like a support level in the past, and we were rejected from it. We came back down here, retested, and then we're breaking above here, this value area high. It's so extremely bullish, especially when you look at all this inefficiency we have on Avax up here. There's a lot of thin air. So when we break above here and we get acceptance above this value area high, we can absolutely rock it. And I think Avax has a lot of potential to be a big catch-up play. When you're thinking of Avax, and maybe you want to turn small amounts of money into large amounts of money, you want to play the Avax beta plays. Now, those can be lower caps on Avax, such as XAVA, I think is a launch pad, and this chart looks extremely similar. Even actually looks better than Avax, but with Avax runs, this thing's going to absolutely rock it. And we're looking at a 163% move to this first resistance. So pay attention to this. Above yearly open, we're above value area high. We've had this trend line breakout. And I believe this is like a DEX, not even a DEX. I think it's a launch pad on Avax. Speaking of DEXs on Avax, the other good play we're looking at is JOE. JOE, again, looks extremely similar. Above our value area high, above our yearly open. It looks like there's a lot of potential here on JOE. And JOE is the DEX on Avax, I believe the biggest DEX. But if you're a massive degen, a late night degen, you want to be looking at, I know what you're looking at, COQs, right? We have COQs, which is a meme coin on Avax. We have really big market cap here, fully diluted market cap, just 400 million. I'm looking for feedbacks on this, but this thing is absolutely rocketed. Excuse me, guys. There's no sleep season in crypto, and my phone is blowing up with alerts. But we have this big level here. If we can get a pullback, and I honestly don't know if we can, if Avax keeps ripping, but if we get a pullback to anywhere around this region, let's do prior all-time high. We've broken above it, and we've not quite retested it yet. So this would be the first point I'd look for us to come down here and retest this level. I'm turning this RSI to a faster RSI, and you can see here the momentum is actually bearish right now. Just like here, we had a bearish momentum, and we came back down and retested it. As soon as we cross the 50 level, it's complete. But when you look at a standard RSI on COQ, you can see that here, this retesting the 50 level led to this huge pump. So if we can cool off closer to the 50 level, let's see what's happening on the 4 hour. See, this is a lot of room for growth. This is telling us, I don't know if it's going to give us this nice entry down here, but that's what I'll be waiting on because of just how frequently we're holding this 50 level. The momentum is staying bullish. However, in periods where we break back down below this 50 level, you can see here, we get down below the 50 level acceptance underneath, the momentum turns bearish, and then we sell off 27%. So that's what, if you are wanting to get in on Toshi, what you'd be looking to see here for this RSI to cool down on the daily, you know, it was up here. So for the RSI to maybe cool down under the 50 level, and I need to get in because I don't have enough of this yet. I'm extremely bullish on Toshi, but I'll be rotating amongst meme coins. So let me know, are you bullish on Avax? Are you currently holding? I know Alex Becker's shilling this as well, which is good for the Avax ecosystem. And what altcoins are you holding? What are you bullish on? Cheers, guys.